What's up, guys? This is Justin from Eibach's Garage. Wanted to do a quick video of this 99 SS Camaro we got up for sale. It's got a Hawks Performance 450 rear wheel horsepower package. There's actually a video I'll link in the description from when they built the car and dynoed it. I'll also link in the description, put all the mods list of everything that's done to it. Just want to do a quick video of startup and a walk around, that way you get a better idea of the car. That's the mileage, 95,000. It's got a good sound system in it. Interior is super clean. Headliner, it's a T-top car. I mean, it really needs nothing. It'd be a perfect daily driver. You know, somebody that wants something to drive, take out on the weekends, or even mod, take it to the next level. Like I said, I'll put in the description all the mods that's been done to it, and if you got any other questions, just comment or hit me up on Facebook or Instagram. Asking 10.5 for the car. Will trade, something I'm interested in. So just let me know what you think, and talk to you guys later. Thanks.